Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of converting units. This is standard 7.4E in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 8 of the 2019 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So Chris bought 10.4 gallons of gas, approximately 3.8 liters in 1 gallon of gas. And so we need to find the measurement that is closest to the number of liters. So we are converting our gasoline into liters, and we've got this nice little ratio of 3.8 liters equals 1 gallon. So there's two different ways to solve this. The first way I would probably do it would probably be just to make a proportion, because look, we've got 3 different numbers here. We've got 10.4 gallons, 3.8 liters, 1 gallon, and we've got labels, 2 gallons and 1 liter, and we're looking for a missing liter. So when I see that, to me that just screams proportion, because those labels are a dead giveaway here. So let's just figure this out. We've got 10.4 gallons of gasoline. Our little ratio here is, I'm going to have to flip it here. So 1 gallon, because I want my gallons across the top here. You want your gallons to match. And so we're going to look at 3.8 liters. I'm just going to do a capital L. That's the abbreviation for that, rather than writing it out. And I'm looking for the closest number of liters. Okay. So I'm just going to put L down here. That's what I'm looking for. So cross multiplication, I mean, take a look at this. L times 1, that's just L. So the missing number of liters equals 10.4 multiplied by 3.8. Looks like that's all we're doing, is just multiplying those two. The only tricky part is we've got some decimals there. Let's just figure that out. 10.4, 3.8. We're just going to ignore the decimals right now, bring them back later. So 4 times 8 is 32. 8 times 0 is 0. Add the 3 is, there's my 32. So 832, second row. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 0, 0, add the 1, there's my 12. And then 3. So got my 2 partial products there. All right, so 39.52. Now we have to remember, we've got decimal, 2 digits behind the decimal in my factors, 2 digits behind the decimal in my product. We see the answer there of H. So it looks like it went up almost 4 times, from 10.4 up to 39.52. Now, what is the other way to do this? Well, some of you might have seen this, and you're thinking of our constant of proportionality. So this is something that we use a lot in 7th grade. We even actually have this k equals yx. We have this on our formula chart, or our mathematics chart. And what this does is this tells us know what the rate of change is when we are trying to figure out. It's that k is what we're changing the x by, our independent variable, to get our dependent variable of y. And when they give it to you in a ratio like this, well, let's just make it 3.8 liters over 1 gallon. So if we drop our units here, it's just 3.8 over 1. So that means k is just 3.8. So let's go into our basic equation of y equals kx, right? And we have 10.4 gallons to begin with, remember, and our gallons was our x. So we're going to say our k is 3.8. Our x is 10.4. The y, right, was our liters, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the number of liters. So I'm going to make that as our y. That's really our liters. And look what we have to do. Same exact thing. 3.8 times 10.4. Answer here is H.